cordless job site blower. I'm looking for a cordless job site blower. Ah, there it is. Brand spanking new product, still not even on the shelf.
What's up, guys? Cliff from Cliff's Creations here, doing a quick review on this Ridgid job site blower. It's a little bit smaller box than I expected to see, and I picked it up for $60, and it's a new item from Ridgid. And let's check it out. After catching a glimpse of this online, I had to go check it out at Home Depot, and when they pulled it down for me, I was thinking, where's the rest of the box? Then I thought, well, I guess it's a really compact blower and there must be a few pieces in there. The box says this blower is rated at 110 CFM or 160 miles per hour. Well, what can I say? It's pretty damn cute. Let's see how it works. This battery is fully charged. Some power, I'll tell you what, that thing blows. It's got this lock here. Pull the trigger, you can lock it out and it'll stay on. This is like a rubbery malleable piece here. It's pretty lightweight and it blows pretty good. Let's see if I get an example of that.
It's going to be at the 10-foot mark. It seems to blow the lighter sawdust away. That was a little better. Now at the 5-foot mark, well, that was enjoyable. Now you can watch me clean up the mess. Quick, call in the reinforcements. If you know who my backup is, you're gonna run like the wind. One thing it does come with that I forgot to mention is this attachment here. If you want to use a blow-up mattress or maybe kids' toys, it's got this little attachment, so. Well, guys, this is it. One thing I do like, it has a variable trigger so you can control how much you're putting out. And this thing's good for blowing off, you know, the table saw or your miter saw. Just kind of getting those tools clean. I found it hard to blow off the floor because I was bending all the way down to try to get the floor. So it's better for countertop stuff, I'd say. But I think it's a keeper. Keep in mind, I was using wood chips from the planer, so they were a little thicker and heavier. Took a little more power to blow them over. But this thing does have some power. Oh, one thing, it runs out of battery pretty quick after using it for a couple days. Well, thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.